Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to see hidden photos on your Mac. This method works the same way on a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and iMac. If you've hidden a picture by mistake or can't seem to find a photo in your library, the Photos app includes a special hidden album where those images are stored. To begin, open the Photos app on your Mac. For this demonstration, I'll first hide a photo so you can see how the feature works. Simply find any image in your library, right-click on it, and choose Hide Photo. Confirm your choice if prompted, and the picture will disappear from your main library view. Now, to access hidden photos, move to the menu bar at the top of the screen, click View, and then select Show Hidden Photo Album. Depending on your privacy settings, macOS may ask you to authenticate before you can view the album. At this point, if this tutorial is helping you, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Mac and iPhone guides. After enabling the album, look at the sidebar on the left side of the Photos app and scroll until you see the Hidden section. Click on it to open the album. You may see a button asking you to use your password or Touch ID. Enter your Mac password or use Touch ID if your Mac supports it. Once verified, all of your hidden photos will become visible. A useful tip is that hidden photos stay stored in your library, so hiding them doesn't delete them or reduce their quality. If you decide you want a photo back in your main library, simply right-click the image inside the hidden album and choose Unhide Photo. The picture will immediately return to your regular photo collection and appear alongside your other photos again. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I'll see you in the next one.